Kim.
I'm Hayden.
I'm Brad.
And we're 626 Ohana, California.
So we are being transferring to Animal Kingdom, our other home resort.
It is, so that's exciting because it's actually the first time we're staying there. So we have Savannah view, so we'll do a room tour. I'm excited about that.
All right, guys, let's go.
Yay, welcome home. First time Kidani.
All right, here we are, our room.
Let's go take a look.
All right, here we are. Wow, okay. So this is a 2-bedroom. Wow. Kitchen space, table.
Let's do Mimi's room first.
Where's Mimi's room at?
Probably to the left.
Left. So this is the second room.
Let's see her closet, and I'll turn on the lights for her
The
bathroom.
little closet. Oh, that's just a fairly large closet. Hello.
Toilet. Hi. We'll go see. And the dreaded big bottle.
And there's the bottles.
Dun dun dun. Alright, a little bathroom. Let's go see.
Oh, what's here?
Toilet pocket.
Oh, okay. So it's a separate toilet. Okay, that's nice.
Alright, her room. Hayden, oh. This is kind of cool.
Little bench.
Does it open or slide? Oh, it slides. It's a drawer.
TV. Big cupboard. Oh, there, look at the USB ports. There's 2 of them. Or 4 of them.
Oh, it's a nice place to put your suitcases.
Wow, they have a lot of USB and plugins in here.
Yeah.
There's the
Little
boilers
desk,
there.
Nice wood carvings.
Desk and that.
And she's got
Her own balcony.
I say some white antelope or something.
So that view from the balcony with some chairs there.
Okay, let's go back in and look.
Couple of beds with Hayden on it.
Paid on the bed.
Alrighty, and some map.
I like the maps.
Yeah,
Hold on, let's turn on the light so you can see real quick.
There's a lot of, wow, there's a lot of light in here too.
Yeah.
Compared to the Poly, there's a ton of light.
Let me turn on some other lights while we go ahead. Oh, there's a
little closet here. We missed another little coat closet. Wow, there's a lot of closet
Tons
space.
of room for whoever's in the spare.
And then this is the main one. I didn't get the chance to show you. This is the main bathroom as we walked in.
There wasn't enough room for all this.
Where we're all trying to come in at the same time. And the bottles.
Bottles. Dun dun dun.
A nice little shower and bath. Which will work.
Washer and dryer. With
Awesome.
soap and a vacuum cleaner.
Cool.
Not
And a broom.
vacuuming.
Yeah, broom.
And a broom. I'm not vacuuming.
And this is a nice sized kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen's nice granite. Full size sink. A lot of drawers. Full size fridge.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Full size oven and stuff if you wanted to cook, which we don't do.
We are.
All that stuff. Okay.
See what comes in the drawers.
Oh yeah, so you got all your cooking utensils and stuff here. Plates, pots, pans. Nice.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Okay.
And what's this? I haven't seen this before.
Hand soap. Dish soap. Hand dish soap.
Echoes, okay.
That's different.
Yeah.
And then you got, oh, more in there.
Echoes. It must be going to something different over here.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. These pull out this couch.
So this couch will pull out to Hayden's bedroom. And underneath the main TV, there's actually more USB ports and plugins.
I like the carvings on here. The little elephant. You got Lion King. And this is kind of nice. This will fold
That's a
out
big
into a
lineup.
single sleeper.
Okay.
So out.
We got
on
Mimi out
here.
there. And then the big balcony. Oh wow, so they all connect. So you got this big balcony that goes to all 3 rooms, or all the rooms. So we'll go all the way down to the end. So this is the balcony. You get to watch out every morning. And the view.
Used to this. Wow, it's a massive.
It's a beautiful
balcony.
view. So we'll have some different things coming up to us.
I can see where we're having coffee every morning.
All right, let's go see the master bedroom.
All right, let's see master. Okay, so you've seen all this from here. If you looked onto the room, just take a look at all this room, community area. I like it.
Oh, this is huge. This is
This
twice
is bigger
as,
than copper.
by far bigger than copper.
Okay, our bedroom. Yeah, let's find a light. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna find a light somewhere in here.
So this is the master again. There's 4 USB ports underneath the big TV with all the cabinet space and everything. And then there's more underneath the mirror and makeup. So there's 2 floors. Well, there's a lot. You won't have to really worry about chargers here.
No, this will be great for
and
us.
The ostrich egg lamps.
I like the ostrich egg lamps. And look at the bed with the Lion King.
And the Lion King with Simba and Nala.
This is gorgeous.
That's neat. And a huge bed. This is actually bigger than what we had for a bed at Polly. By far bigger.
This is like a studio size for one room almost.
Yeah. Oh no, the bed.
I know, it's
bigger.
massive. It's a king. Woohoo!
And then more USB ports. So they got ports everywhere in here.
Oh my stars. You guys. This bathroom is huge.
This is the
I love the tile.
Lion King. Then you got a big,
I'm going for a swim.
big,
That's close to pool.
a big spa tub and a big walk-in shower. But with the dun dun dun.
Dreaded soap.
But you got a bench and everything. This is nice, except for it doesn't have no rain can.
No rain can.
I might be able to fit under that one. And then the makeup mirror and
Let's see, this has been, I like the light fixtures on the side.
yes.
Looks like torches.
And then
I don't know. Our last room, we didn't get the hair dryer in our room. Oh,
There it is.
good, we got a hair dryer this time.
yeah.
Last DVC room we didn't get. Let me see if I can find a light.
Okay.
And toilet pocket.
A little toilet pocket, separate door.
Ah, it's hanging in the closet.
Okay, and the safe.
No safe.
All right.
I don't think Hayden in the closet will come with you.
You can stay there all night.
Silly little monkey.
So that's it. That's the room.
Yeah.
So
I love it. I'm so excited. This is huge for the 4 of us to stay in. We're going to have plenty of room. We're going to have amazing views of the animals. Wow.
yeah,
So with that, we want to get to the parks. So
that's our room
anyways,
tour.
that's our room tour. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow along with our Ohana. So with that being said, we're going to say
Goodbye and
find your magic.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.